to try and get to the Mall of Asia, see if we can get tickets for the ferry. This is the part of the vlog where the microphone's not working for some reason, so cue the music. Forewarning, if you're going to go to the pictures here, Premier does not mean these seats, it just means regular seats. See? Okay, yeah, the mic stopped working. Turns out it doesn't matter. Went to the Mall of Asia to get the tickets for the ferry from Manila to Coron, because it's a nightmare to get them online apparently. You need tons of ID. So we went directly to the to-go office and bought them there, which turned out to be cheaper than going through the place underneath the hotel, which I'm pretty sure ripped us off a little bit. Go to the mall, enjoy the day, because you're probably going to be arriving at a different day from when the ferry's leaving, because the ferry only goes every few days. So just go to the mall, get the tickets there, make sure to get there before 8:30 because that's when it closes and all the systems get switched off, and then go bowling afterwards. And there'll be more information on the ferry in the next video. Oh, and there's a restaurant close to the bowling called Jollibees. Try it, it's really weird. They've got a weird mixture of food on, and it's cheap. And the hot dog's nice. Seriously, go to the cinema, go to the bowling, go get some food, get your tickets, and I'll see you in the next video about the ferry there. Trust me, there's information you'll need. It involves toilet paper. You'll find out. Alright, bye. Oh, sorry, no, I mean, back to the end of the video.